Post recently about a what was used for the coin holder here. I posted a picture that was shared in on the local Lexus GS group here in Taiwan. However, the TPMS sensor that was posted on, I'm actually a dealer for them. Been the dealer for them for a couple of years now. For the 3GS itself, they don't make an actual bracket for them. This is what the company provides here. Well, they don't actually provide this. It's actually a separate purchase for about $3 or so. To make this work, I've been working with a friend of mine that is really good with AutoCAD and making some designs for this. Obviously, here are some failures that we've test printed and didn't work. And here are two of our final print that were working really well. To show you how this works, basically, let me go ahead and open the box first. In the box, you will see a harness, a receiver, and the actual TPMS unit. There's a clamp for wiring tap and a double-sided tape to hold on to tape the receiver onto the car somewhere so it doesn't jingle around. And these will be included for free. To install this, release the clip right here. You can use your fingernail and just basically press on this tab, pull it out, or you can use a screwdriver to push out at the same time. Then you will take the TPMS, make sure you face it the proper direction, so it will be like this. Put it in there, and you take our item, and just locks in place just like that. So next you will take the harness or your pigtail and plug it into the display. Once you plug it into the display, you will plug into the receiver with the tap source right here. You will tap into a suitable power source. Attach one wire to ground, one wire to power. Once the power is on, this is a touch display. You can show the voltage, the PSI, the temperature of each sensor. So short presses will just cycle through the menus. Long press will enter the settings menu. Then you can go to relearn, and you'll go through the sequence of 1, 2, 3, and 4, so you can pair each wheel. To pair each wheel, release the air or add air into the tire rapidly, so about 4 psi in a short period of time, and it will pick up the signal and tell the TPMS receiver that, hey, this is the wheel that's going to get picked up. So it's very simple. Price is $150 shipped normally. Currently we're doing a discount for Black Friday. 10% off on these products is going to be $135 shipped. If anybody's interested, just let us know. Thanks.